Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Do you remember me? I'm Samarsekar from Janashakthi.
I think you are the one who called me yesterday.
Yes, sir. I had an appointment with you today. May I come in?
That's right. Please come in, have a seat.
Thanks for your time, sir. I know you have a busy schedule, so if you allow, I shall directly get on to the point.
Yes, please. I need to rush for my meeting and can only give you 45 minutes max. Hope that's fine with you.
Yes, sir. That will be enough. Sir, I came here to speak about some interesting investment solutions available at Janashakthi. But before I get on to the product, I feel I should know a little more about you. If you allow, may I ask you some personal question relevant to this discussion? I assure complete secrecy to the same.
Okay, please go ahead. But before that, what would you like to have? Tea or coffee?
Sir, if it's not too much of a botheration, I would prefer tea.
Cup of tea, please. Okay, please go ahead.
Sir, let me start with the most easy one. What's your age?
I am 35.
Now the most difficult one. How much is your approximate monthly expenditure?
Is it important to share?
Certainly not. But this can only help me in doing an accurate calculation. Sir, I have been given to understand that you are a busy person. You work, you act. Do you see yourself sometime retiring also from this hectic schedule?
I wish not to retire. However, it's inevitable. So maybe I guess I can continue with this speed till 55.
That precisely make you have 20 years of time from now. I am sure you would agree that to maintain the same lifestyle post-retirement, this 30,000 will not remain the same. Due to inflation, its definite go up. If you may allow, can I assume the same becoming at least double? It takes 60,000 per month.
60,000 per month?
Sir, it may be more given the current economic condition today at Sri Lanka.
Good Lord.
Now, I shall do some quick number crunching for you. As per my calculator, As per my calculator, in order to have an income of 60,000 rupees per month, you ideally need to have a retirement corpus of 3.8 million rupees approximately. And in order to have this corpus, you should ideally start investing from today. And the investment amount roughly comes to 10,000 rupees per month. If broken down further, it's 333 rupees and 33 cents per day. And this money invested today would guarantee a peaceful retirement life for you and your family.
That sounds good. However, every month I don't think I can afford to pay such a big premium. I have a huge list of expenses every month and I am the only bread earner of my family.
Sir, I understand where you are coming from. In fact, I am also the sole earning member of my family. Who would understand the importance of planning for retirement than us? This planning should happen from today. Each day we defer. There is a cost for such deferment. Also, life expectancy has gone up. So has inflation rate. So, if not now, then the question is when?
But how do we do? Every expense is important to run our daily life.
Sir, can we do a small exercise? On this blank sheet, may I request you to prioritize your needs of life? Just to point out, while there are needs, there are wants too. Wants are the things that can be cancelled or postponed, while needs are immediate and cannot be deferred. I am sure you would be able to pen down few such itineraries that can be avoided today for planning a better future. Few examples to identify some of our wants in life: spending via credit card, consumption of food every day outside, maybe because we don't like carrying home food, addictions like shopping, dining outside, smoking, buying expensive electronic goods, etc.
Have your tea. Well, I think that's good suggestion. Yes, I agree. I can do it away with certain expenditures like this. Could you once again tell me how much is the monthly premium coming to?
So it's 10,000 rupees per month, which means 333 rupees and 33 cents per day. And at the cost of repeating, these savings would be definitely give an independent, peaceful life.
Well, I am young now, just married. Do I really need to plan for a retirement?
Sir, as already mentioned, there is no right time to start this investment. The earlier you start, the lesser would be the burden on your pocket and higher would be the fund value that you would be able to accumulate down the line. In short, we call it cost of deferment. Just to give you a small example, both A and B wishes to save 120,000 rupees. However, A can save for 30 years and B for 25 years. The prevailing interest rate is say 5%. Thus, A will be able to save 518,633 rupees and 9 cents, whereas B will save 406,362 rupees and 59 cents. Just because of delay by 5 years, B will save 112,270 rupees and 49 cents less than A. This is cost of deferment.
But can't I save this money for retirement by investing in bank?
Definitely yes, sir. However, would like to point out some lucrative stuffs that we might be able to make you happy with. Our product, apart from generating retirement corpus, would have life insurance coverage, which would be equally important as life is unpredictable. Also, we have coverage for total permanent disability and partial permanent disability due to accident being treated equivalent to death, and payment would be made accordingly. Apart from this, you would be allowed to liquidate your money in case of financial exigency after 5 years. And the icing on the cake would be we would be give you loyalty bonus apart from normal returns. Does that make you feel happy, sir?
Well, yes, but I already have EPF and ETF from my current employer. I guess that should be sufficient to handle my future requirement. Why do you take separate pension policy?
However, as a responsible father and husband, I feel that it might not be sufficient. Expenses or contingencies do not come knocking the door. Neither can we correctly estimate how much savings would be sufficient. Inflation is constantly rising more than our salary increasement rates. All that I would suggest is save as much as possible so that tomorrow you need not extend your hand to anybody for any help.
You sound so confident.
Sir, I do not sell insurance, but I sell peace in life. It's intangible, but you would agree to its importance when your actual retirement day comes. After all, money speaks, and retirement life at times is lonely without children being around. Also, at times, it's not responsibility-free life. Money will support you in every spur. Live life king size.
Well, I like your ideas. Give a day's time to think about it. Let me talk to my wife and get back to you.
Sir, it's very important that any investment decision should happen in agreement to your spouse. I understand that, as I am also a family person. If you are okay, could I have the opportunity to demonstrate the same over this weekend at your comfortable place, maybe your home? This would be allow me to handle any query that you might subsequently have. Would be happy to be at your service.
Okay, that sounds good. Give me a call tomorrow morning and I shall confirm.
Sure. Will 1 o'clock lunchtime be suitable for you? And your contact number is not 7784944626, right?
Should be fine as I generally proceed for my lunch then.
I would also confirm what other documents you need to keep with you in case you are finalizing your decision soon. Please don't consider this to be a push, but this is the process I adopt while I do any financial suggestions to my respected clients.
That's fine. But I can't commit anything now. It's already October. Maybe I will have some money in December post my bonus gets declared in the company.
Fully appreciate, sir. Let's not rush. However, we also need to keep in mind the earlier we enter, the better for us. Cost of deferments else kills us. Also, post you buying the policy, I wanted you to be assured of my service. Here is my visiting card, which has my contact number. I am accessible 24 hours 7 days. In case you wish to get my referral check done, there is my company's contact number. This would give you full confidence for processing the deal. After all, it's your hard-earned money and we at Janashakthi respect it.
Thanks. That sounds like a true professional. Would look forward to meeting with you again.
Sure. Have a good afternoon and hope your meeting goes well. And my 45 minutes of time is over. Thanks for the cup of tea, sir. I really enjoyed it.